What up, fam? Your boy is going through workers like a hot knife goes through butter. So, spoiler alert, it's gonna be a lot of venting on this video. What's up, fam? This is Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. Hope everyone's doing fantastic, cutting on like we want to cut on, getting those clients like we want to get the clients. But in getting clients, you know what comes? You need workers. And bruh, let me tell you something, fam. I am having a problem over here keeping workers, And it ain't because I'm not telling them how difficult the work is. The work is hard. Yes, it is. And it is hot as hell here in Georgia. 90 plus degrees. I'm gonna tell you what I do, fam. I call the guys up, talk to them on the phone, give them the whole scoop, how tough lawn care is, because it is difficult. And I express to them my concern about them doing one thing for me. If this job ain't for you, please let me know by the end of the day. So I'm being really fair with the guys. I'm gonna show you how the interview goes. It's real simple. Hey man, I'm looking for somebody who is interested in lawn care. Would you think you'd be interested? Yeah, I'm interested. So, knowing that you're interested, what I want to let you know is it's a difficult job. Can you be outside in the heat? Yeah, I could be outside in the heat. So, all right, so that's cool. You could be outside in the heat. And just so you know, if you're not able to, keep up, the first day or whatnot, just let us know. And then, we'll just move on from there. Oh no, I'm an expert on this right here. This is what I do, baby. This is what I do. You know what I'm saying? Nah, I want this job. I'm glad to hear that you're excited about working for us. But just want to let you know that bring plenty of water because it can be hot and heavy if we have a lot of work. Hey, bring it on, baby. I got responsibilities. You see what I'm saying? I got things to do. So I'm ready to work. A day later, I'm gonna text this guy, man. He was really good, man, but I can't do this job, man. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna text him in the morning. I don't even care. That's what I get. You don't want to work. You lying. You just want to do that so you can stay in your mom's house and you're going to say, Mom, that dude fired me, man. And look, this to your mama. Your son lazy. He ain't even called me to let me know he's quitting. He just didn't show up. That's what you got there. So I know that's a shot. Shots fired, shot fired. But that's how I feel. I ain't hating on anyone who can't do the work, okay? Here's my reason why I'm frustrated with my workers. Or should I say the people who came in and worked one day and quit on me. You know who you are, because I sent you this video. Yeah, fam, I sent the guys who came in to work for me for one day and quit this video because I'm frustrated. Now I don't expect them to watch this video because they didn't do what I thought was right. Let me tell you what I mean by that. Simple. If you're gonna quit a job, and this to all the people out there that is looking for work and they think they're gonna get to work in lawn care, do me a favor, don't do me no favors. Call the person and let them know that you're not coming to work the day before. I mean, it's real simple. Cut the yards, go through. Hey, this is not for me. Hey, Vic, thanks, man, for the opportunity. I ain't gonna be at work tomorrow. That's a man. You know what I mean? No excuses. Understand? Cutting on for me. You move on with your life. And I'm happy about the fact that you was honest to me. But nah, fam, you will not believe this. I will express to the guys early on, tell them how important it is to be there. And then I say, hey, you got other two people relying on you and they don't want to be out here cutting the grass by themselves if you're not going to show up. They'll say all the words. Now, this is grown men. When I say grown men, anybody over the age of 21 is grown to me. Now, I will cut you some slack if you between the ages of 18 to 20. Once you turn 21, you know what a yes and a no what it means. I'm just understanding that when I was young at 18 to maybe the 20, I wasn't the best employee. I'll be honest with that. But with that being said, I had never had somebody come to me and say, as a boss, hey, things not good for you, just let me know that you can't come back. Greatly appreciate y'all, coming out, giving it a try. We're moving on. They will say to me, hey, nah, things are fine. I like the job. And then the next day, these millennials will text you in the morning at 6:30, 7 o'clock saying, I'm not going to be there. Well, we figure that out when you're not there. And you don't have enough heart to call the person personally and tell them to the face. Not disrespectfully, like, you know what I'm saying? I'm saying in all honesty, like, hey, man, I'm sorry for that. I failed you. And once again, man, I thought I was going to go today, but I didn't go. No, they're going to send it to you in a text message, fam. And I know y'all know what I'm talking about. Those who are trying to grow their business and getting people. Now, one of the things, like I said, not frustrated that a person can't continue to cut on. That ain't what I'm saying. I am frustrated that I got people who can't be man enough just to be honest enough to help me. I'm gonna tell you it again. Somebody besides yourself to help me have a person in place for my guys the next day. That's it, man. I can find somebody on Indeed. I kid you not. I can get, by noon, I can find somebody who say I'll come in tomorrow. Now, this is how I'm finding these guys on Indeed. These are guys who putting in transcripts or resumes so I can look at them, and they got all this list of stuff. I do this, I do that, I do this, I do that, I do this, I do that, and then I do a phone interview. I do the phone interview because right now I don't have the time to go in and do what we did at the beginning of the year, which is a large group interview. So I do a phone, tell them straight up how difficult the work is, but we just need someone who is dedicated and who can stay outside in the heat. Every last one of them said yes, they could. How many did we go through in 1 week? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I went through 5 guys in 1 week, and all 5 of them didn't call, let me know they ain't coming back. Now, I don't get that part. Like I said, that's why I'm venting right now. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 got hired. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 didn't call me. Only one sent a text message the next day saying he ain't coming. Twice. So thank you for sending a text message twice to me to let me know that you ain't have enough respect for me to let me know the day before. You just like, hey man, thank you for the opportunity and I really appreciate it. And then he told me he gonna come pick his check up on next Thursday. And it really works like that. He can tell me he gonna be there for that day. Well, we'll see. Cause you know what? I don't jump through no hoops for somebody to come pick up their check. If it ain't on where I need them to be to come get the check, cause I ain't, hey, if you see this video, I'm talking to you, or anybody else I owe money to who left me stranded, you better be there, cause I don't run down nobody to pay them. Now, I know I may be a little frustrated, but you can understand that, couldn't you? You can understand the frustration in my voice, couldn't you? If somebody wouldn't do you a positive by, reaching out to you and saying, hey man, I want to make sure you have enough opportunity. Man, I worked hard today and I'm not up to par. This ain't for me. I think I need to go back to Walmart. And you probably would. Hey, anybody who don't like their job at Walmart and, they don't like standing around and they don't like, working at Burger King or any other place that does the little manual stuff, man, come to Lawn Care in Conyers. Give me a call. You know what I'm saying? But don't waste my time talking about I need this and that. Because I'm tell you what I'm learning, fam. I'm learning that people don't put your best interests before theirs. I'm talking about it's a phone call. Now, I know some lawn care women out there. It's not many of them, but shout out to Carol, you know what I'm saying? A rugged lawn care out there and doing her thing in DeKalb County. But this to the men, you know what I'm saying? This is to my fellas who know what I'm talking about. Fellas, you know what I'm talking about. You know when you ask for a girl's number and she gives it to you, right? and you know you like really digging this girl, and you give her a call up and everything, and she just give you the runaround. You know what I'm saying? Instead of saying to you, know what, I kind of gave you my number because I just didn't want to be mean to you that day. I'm really, I'm really not interested. And you know what? I really appreciate the fact that you find me attractive. You know how many dudes be like, man, word up, man. Thanks for not wasting my time. That's how I feel right now. These millennials, some of them, because I got a couple, I got two, well, I got one millennial, and he's a great guy. Ray. He's a great guy. He's working his butt off. So just in case, Ray, you see this, I ain't talking about you. I'm talking about the other millennials. Y'all need to be men enough to call a person up and let them know this is not for me. So, some of my excuses for not showing up to work, Mr. Vic, sorry, but I've been in a car accident, and I'm like, sorry to hear about that, man. Man, I'm really sorry about to hear about it, and I'm, you know, I hope things work out for you and everything, and I'm really sorry. Yeah, but I'll be in on the mall to pick up my check. How you picking up your check if you in a car wreck? Explain that to me. Hmm? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know how you picking up a check and you in a car wreck. That's what I'm talking about. Be a man. Own up. Another thing, if your family ain't really sick, you talking about you calling me, yeah, man, my grandmama, you know what I'm saying, she's sick. Now, mind you, you may be telling the truth. Your grandmama could be sick, but she been sick for 7 years. That's what I'm saying. She been on dialysis. Don't do stuff like that. Don't play games like that. You know, oh, I gotta watch my sister. I heard this dude stop cutting grass. I'm talking about we cutting grass, bro. And forgive my vernacular. We're cutting grass. In the middle of us cutting grass, he just stops and says to us, hey man, sorry to tell you this, man, but I gotta go home and watch my little sister. What? You gotta go home and watch your little sister? Man, come on, man. Man, for real. And after that, guess what? His phone stopped working. I owe him some money too. He'll be calling me soon. And hopefully, I will be man enough to tell him, I got your check. As soon as I finish watching my little sister, I'm gonna bring it on over to you. Yeah, I hope I don't be that petty, but I might be. I might be. I don't know. So pray for me, fam. Pray for me. So, I wouldn't say I heard it all. But like and this is true. I had people say, hey, he called me and say, hey, Mr. Vic, and I appreciate these people. And it's a bad circumstance they did it though. Hey Vic, I want to call you, let you know, man, I'm locked up. That was for real. Huh? He was locked up. All jokes aside, you know, they was. So shout out to him for using his last call to call me. I mean, I don't know, maybe he used one of his calls to call me, but he was locked up. All right, but I'm trying to make light of this frustration. Now, to all my fam who putting in this work, let me tell you something. Despite everything I just said right now, it's money out there to get it. It's something out there to get it. Because I'm telling you something. You can see these millennials who working for me and working for you, they don't want to cut no grass. So just in case, and I have had a guy or two in college. One of the guys who's talking about he got to go watch his sister. He was going back to school. So it's a good chance he'll own a home one day. And he ain't cutting his grass. So all I'm saying is you got to keep cutting on. You got to keep cutting on. Fam, don't let these guys discourage you. Hey, my boys, shout out to my nephew and my brother who's still cutting on for me. Because this is what we do. For those people who understand this is the long term. And we hope for prosperity in all that we do. But this ain't for the light of heart. So if you want to make some money and you want to grow a business, lawn care is where it's at, because we can't cut all this grass by ourselves. People out here want people to cut the grass, they looking for the right price. You figure out that price, and if it worked for you, you about to make some money. So hey, cut on, lawn care family, cut on. I'm cutting out. Peace.